So Cristiano Ronaldo right now, live pictures from Dallas, is leaving the World Cup stage for the final time. His first World Cup was 2006, 20 years later, still going. Emotional moments for Cristiano Ronaldo, who became the first male player to score in 6 World Cups. 11 World Cup goals, of course, he got that knockout goal in Toronto. Emotional moments, Kev.
It shows what it means to him, and it's nice that the game does mean so much to him. You know, us three up here have played. We know what this game has given to us, and it's given Cristiano Ronaldo so much, but he's given the game so much as well. So many great moments across his career, and look, I don't know how long he's got left in him playing for his club side. We don't know that, but for him to exit on this stage, it's befitting of him, Stevie, because he is an absolute legend.
Well said, Kev. I totally agree with everything you said. It's his determination, his attitude. You know, man's got all the money in the world, but it still means that much to him to be out there, and he knows exactly what it means to leave this stage at Tiva. You did it 3.5 years ago. It's hard to be at the pinnacle of our